Happy Friday, happy Friday. Today, I am so excited to announce that we are bringing you the WMS version of the diff drops. I already know what you're gonna say. Hey, you guys were partnering with the company. What happened? The truth is nothing. It's nothing personal. It's business. We were getting held up with customs. The duties kept changing. The taxes kept changing. The shipping fees kept changing. And we reached a point to where I said, I'm not gonna charge customers $1,400 for diff drops. That makes no sense. It's atrocious. I reached out to OnTrack. I said, hey, look, nothing personal. I'm gonna redesign these. We're gonna make them in-house. I have a high standard that I hold my customers accountable. I hold myself accountable. I hold my team accountable. And this is the expectation with anybody who buys through Wragth Motorsports. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to make these in-house. And that's exactly what we did. We started from the ground up. Obviously used the data that we had since 2021 and then kind of backtrack forward with the data that we've collectively have over all these trucks. I will say that when it comes to these diff drops, we are the best shop that has the most knowledge on these diff drops. Why? Because we have 12 trucks, 32,000 miles and counting, with the span of stock all the way up to something like a 37 with 1,200 horsepower on twin turbos. Then we have a 37 on 900 horsepower. We have a stock setup 426 3.8 Whipple. We have countless 850 package, 900 package stock trucks, and all of these trucks have diff drops that are being driven daily, or being jumped, or being raced, or being tracked. I mean, you name it. And we come in, we bring them for service, get the feedback, take measurements. So we have the most knowledge. Now, I already know what you're gonna do. You're gonna say, oh, well, what about mine? I placed mine and it's that price, and now the price, I get it. We've already reached out to you. We're gonna issue a partial refund. We're gonna ship you our sets. They're tested, they're validated, they work. If I'm saying they're ready, they're ready. For the other folks saying, oh, well, this is too expensive, it's only a few pieces of metal. Do you go to the doctor and ask your doctor, hey, it only took you 5 minutes, I'm paying this much? No. Why? Because you're paying for their knowledge, their education, their experience, and their time. Same concept here, guys. We listen and we don't judge. So don't judge before knowing the full story. Yes, there are a few pieces of metal. They're billet. You can't buy billet in pieces. You buy one stock, you make it. Whether you make 1 or 10, it's the same price. My technician's time, my time, R&D, making changes, buying another stock. This is all factored into that price. And best of all, you're gonna get the highest level of service. So $749 is gonna be the new price, $99 shipped to you. For those customers whose order at a higher price point and are waiting for their orders, we're gonna give you a partial refund so you can make it happen.